Okay, so welcome back to Smart Irrigation. This is the final video about how you wire up your smart irrigation installation to your actual irrigation system. So there's multiple options here. We do provide an event, which is the Smart Irrigation Start Irrigation All Zones event. This will calculate the duration for all automatic zones and will fire this event so all automatic zones can finish duration before sunrise. Right? So if you wanted your irrigation to be done before sunrise, you listen to that event, and that event is fired at the right moment. And then for each of those, you can figure out, do I need to irrigate, yes or no, right? So if the sensor for the zone, for my first zone, is above 0, let me turn on the valve for that zone, wait for the duration of the zone value, right, for the sensor value duration, and then turn off the zone valve again. And then for each zone, you want to reset the bucket using the reset bucket service to 0. Otherwise, you will carry on the same value in the bucket. So don't forget to empty the bucket after you're done irrigating. So this is how you listen to that one event, in this case for one zone. Now there's multiple other options in here. For example, here's one that just starts at 6 o'clock in the morning, 6 a.m. Again, one tap, one zone, reset the bucket, very simple. You can maybe do something with Workday as a Workday sensor, what have you. You can say, hey, I only want to irrigate on Monday and Thursday. I want to do that, and then turn off the tap after you're done, and then reset the bucket. So don't forget to reset the bucket. So here's a good example with 2 taps. So I can say, I'm going to turn on tap 1, wait for the duration of that zone, and then turn it off, and then turn on tap 2, wait for the duration of that zone, and turn the tap off, and then reset the buckets for both of those zones. Very straightforward after you know how this works, but it's important to note Smart Irrigation doesn't do any control of your valves. It just calculates the duration, and then it's up to you to wire it up to your irrigation system. Now, the last thing I want to call out before I will leave you with this is please visit the GitHub over here. Leave any issues or feature requests over here, discussions to help us improve the component. And with that, I want to say thank you and enjoy, and don't waste too much water.